power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 6.2-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6684A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.